Pakistani actresses who are in their 30s or over 30 years of age. And she is still living an unmarried life. And these actresses are more focused on their acting careers than marriage at the moment. So let's see in this article which actresses don't care about getting married. 1. Sabaa Kumar. Sabaa Kumar is one of the most versatile actresses in the Pakistani drama industry who can easily play any role. She was born on April 5, 1984, in Hyderabad, Pakistan. She is now 36 years old but still unmarried. And the effects of her marriage are not even visible. 2. Reesham. Reesham is one of the famous Pakistani actresses of the 90s. Her great films are still in people's minds. While she lives alone in her bungalow in Lahore. She was born on October 2, 1968, in Faisalabad, Pakistan. She is now 52 years old but she is still looking for a good boy to marry. 3. Maria Wasty. Maria Wasty is an actress, a most successful model, and host, which appears to host programs on almost every TV channel. While her morning show Sunrise from Istanbul is counted among her successful programs. She was born on August 14, 1980, in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. She is now 40 years old but she still thinks of herself as a young girl. 4. Aisha Omar. Famous Pakistani actress Aisha Omar, of Bulbul drama, who is a very beautiful and well-educated girl. Nowadays, she is paying less attention to acting in dramas while appearing more in acting in Pakistani films. She was born on October 12, 1981, in Lahore. She is now 38 years old but she still looks just like young virgin girls. 5. Maish Hayat. Maish Hayat is counted among the actresses who have received Tamgha-e-Imtiaz at a very young age. She stepped into the world of showbiz by acting in dramas but now she has taken a break from acting in dramas and is only seen working in films. She was born on January 6, 1983, in Karachi. She is now 37 years old but she is still unmarried. 6. Neelam Munir. Every young boy is crazy about the natural beauty and fair complexion of actress Neelam Munir. To introduce her, she manages any drama character with great skill. While it is also very popular on social media because of its dance etc. She was born on March 20, 1985, in Swat. She is now 35 years old but she is still looking for a good and single boy. 7. Maya Ali. Maya Ali has become a Pakistani TV drama actress as well as a film actress. And she's been working in the showbiz industry field for almost 10 years. She has earned this position of honor because of her hard work day and night. She was born on July 27, 1989, in Karachi. She is now 31 years old but she still doesn't care about her marriage. 8. Yusna Shah. Actress Yusna Shah entered the Pakistani TV drama industry 3 or 4 years ago. People liked her performance with actor Bilal Abbas in the drama serial Baba. As a result, people started following her on Instagram and so her fame grew. She was born on February 12, 1990, in Karachi. She is now 30 years old but she has also vowed not to get married yet. 9. Sunbil Iqbal. Sunbil Iqbal is considered one of the average actresses in the showbiz industry. Her acting is lively and beautiful but people are not much impressed by her acting. That's why she pays less attention to dramas and spotted while doing photo shoots in clothing brands. She was born on August 30, 1990, in Karachi. She is now 30 years old but she is still looking for a good, well-educated, and well-settled boy. 10. Yama Zaidi. Seeing the beauty of actress Yama Zaidi reminds little girls. She looks so innocent in appearance but in fact, she is very innocent in real life as well. The role of Mujbin in the drama serial Pyar Sabki. Definitely this role of Yama Zaidi will always be remembered in history. She was born on July 30, 1989, in Karachi. She is now 31 years old but she is also living unmarried life.